So if you're looking to start up an LLC in the state of California, this video is for you. We'll be going through everything you need to know about setting up a California LLC, as well as how you can set one up in under 10 minutes. So on the left is an overview of the 5 main steps when it comes to setting up your LLC. We'll be going through each of these in detail so you'll know exactly what to do. Before we dive into the steps, let me quickly share 3 key benefits of forming your LLC in California. First, California offers excellent access to venture capital and investment opportunities, especially for tech startups. Second, you'll benefit from the state's robust business infrastructure and networking opportunities. Third, California LLCs enjoy flexibility in management structure, allowing you to organize your business in a way that works best for you. So step 1 is to name your LLC. There are some rules when it comes to naming your LLC in the state of California. You must have limited liability company in the name, or LLC. Whatever name you choose also cannot cause any confusion with a government agency. This makes a lot of sense, and the name must be distinctive and original. If you want to do a free name search, you can use the link down below and you'll be able to check whether or not that name is available. Now, if you do want to make this whole process a lot more simple, I would recommend using something like Taylor Brands. It's an online platform that basically helps you set up your LLC for you at little to no cost to you. I've used them personally to set up multiple business entities and they've been nothing but amazing. So yeah, that link is down below. And if you actually want to skip forward to the parts of this video where I take you step by step through that platform, that timestamp is going to be right here. So step 2 is to find a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or business that is going to help you receive and send significant legal documents to and from the government on your behalf. So in case you get sued or the state needs to contact you, they're going to contact you through your registered agent. So who can be a registered agent? They must be an individual living in California, or they must be an entity who's allowed to conduct business in California. They also must have a physical address in California, and they must be on site and available to accept documents during regular business hours. If you do use Taylor Brands, they'll actually provide the service to you for free for 1 year. That is definitely an added bonus. Okay, so step 3 is to actually file your LLC articles of organization. This is going to include the LLC's name, the registered agent's name, and address. Purpose of LLC formation, data filing of articles, management structure, so who are the actual managers of this company, and also a bunch of other really important things. Now, when it comes to the process of doing this, there are a couple forms that you'll need to know and to fill out. There's Form LLC 1. This is the Articles of Organization form, and it's for businesses that are seeking to form an LLC in California. The filing fee for this form is $85 at the time this video is made, and that is a mandatory fee. Most of you watching this video will probably be filing this form. Now, if you do have a foreign LLC and you want to do business inside of California, then that's a different form. That's going to be Form LLC 5, and that fee is the same, that $85. California also has a unique requirement. You must file a Statement of Information, Form LLC 12, within 90 days of forming your LLC. This costs $20 to file. Additionally, California requires you to publish a notice of your LLC formation in a local newspaper for 4 consecutive weeks. This publication requirement can cost anywhere from $40 to $200, depending on your county. To actually file articles of organization in California, there are a few different ways you can do this. The first is you file online through the California Secretary of State's website. So if you want to learn more, the link is going to be down in the description. You can also file it by mail, so you can find a copy of the form and more info on how you can fill it out at the same website. And this is the address you'll be mailing the form to. Step number 4 is to get an LLC EIN. This is also known as your federal tax identification number. Think of that as a social security number for your business. And this is going to allow the IRS to identify and keep track of your business's tax status. You'll need this number to open up a business bank account, file and manage your federal and state taxes, as well as hire employees. This is very easy. You'll simply fill out a form online and we'll link that down below as well. Step 5 is to create an LLC operating agreement. This is not required in California, but it's still good to have one. If you have multiple owners for your LLC, this is going to help you structure the financial relationships of each owner. And it's really going to tell everyone what to expect from the company. It's also going to include information about your ownership, members' rights and responsibilities, joining and leaving rules, as well as rules for dissolution. And then after you form your LLC, there are a few things that you'll need to know, and we'll cover those really quickly right now. The first is that you definitely want to keep your business and personal assets separate. If you don't do this, then you're going to pierce the corporate veil. And when that happens, if people actually sue your company, they can actually come after your personal assets. So to remedy this, you'll definitely want to get a business checking account, get a business credit card, and also hire an accountant. You also may need to get business insurance. I'm not going to really cover this too much as it's really going to depend on your business type, but just keep this in mind. You'll also probably want a business website. So be prepared to work on this, or you can hire someone to make this for you. We'll leave some resources down below if you do actually want to build the website yourself. And yeah, like I mentioned earlier, if you don't want to deal with all this yourself, I highly recommend using Tailor Brands. They make it super easy and save you a ton of hassle. So let me walk you through it. It only takes 3 to 5 minutes. Click the exclusive discount link for Tailor Brands below. Then on the website, click on the button to get started. You'll be asked what type of business you're starting and in what state. So we'll select LLC in the state you're starting your LLC in. Next, you'll be asked to name your company, the purpose of your business, and the business address. All you need to do now is to type in the members of the LLC, give your contact information, and select if there's any additional things you'd like Tailor Brands to take care of, like getting your EIN or setting up the trademark. Once you've done that, all you need to do is submit your payment and you're done. Tailor Brands will take care of the rest for you. It saves so much time and hassle and only takes 3 to 5 minutes to fill everything in. That's why I highly recommend it to everyone because it makes starting your LLC a whole lot easier. Again, that exclusive discount link for Tailor Brands is down below. Click it to get started in just a few minutes. Anyways, that's basically how you set up an LLC in the state of California. All the resources that we mentioned in the video are going to be down below in the description. So yeah, I really hope this video was helpful. If you got some value out of this video, make sure to share with a friend and also like and subscribe for more content just like this. This whole channel is dedicated at giving you free guides and tutorials helping you to start up your business. So thank you so much for your time and I'll see you in the next video.